Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Thanks for inviting me over. Today we are announcing and talking about Season of the Granny. What is Season of the Granny? Basically, it is a fun community building challenge for all of you content creators out there, plus our awesome community. That means you. So what we're going to be doing, it's going to run for the rest of the season, depending on where you are in the world. So in North America, winter season, and me in Kenya, summer. So wherever you are in the world, we are going to finish on March 18th. So by March 18th or on March 18th, you can post pictures of all of your Season of the Granny projects. You can also post them before, but that would be the deadline to do it. If you have tutorials coming out on how to do whatever your favorite granny is or your tips and tricks, you can also put it out. Love to build the community and have something to do, a good reason to make a video. So that is what we are doing for the rest of the winter season. Great opportunity to bust your stash. You can just use up your small little bits, make your centers, do color changing ones. You can do solid grannies, join them up as you go, all sorts, like anything you want to do. If you have grannies laying around, some of us do, I know, you can take this opportunity to join in on the challenge and join them up into a blanket. You can make blankets for your local shelters. You can donate them to anybody. You can even make early Christmas presents. Right? So anything at all. You can make granny bags, granny shoe, granny like slippers, granny shoes, granny slippers, blankets, pillow covers, absolutely anything granny goes. Chair covers, stool covers, whatever you want to do with granny squares, that's what we're talking about. Any yarn at all, any stitch at all, you are welcome to join in. I love to see what you are up to. I'd like to tag a couple other channels specifically, but also I'm tagging you. So if you're watching this, you're also tagged. I didn't make a whole big list of people I want to tag just so I can leave other channels open for you to tag. So don't think because I didn't say your name, like literally I have said your name, I'm just not putting it on the video. So I can let Glenda tag some people and you tag some people and everyone tag some people. So I've tried really to limit it down, and you can pop on over to these channels and tell them that they've been tagged. That would be super great. So the first one I'm going to tag is Jada in Stitches. I know she has a heap of granny square tutorials already, so that would be a super great thing. Love to see her tips and tricks or anything she has going on granny square related. So pop on by to her channel and tell her that she is officially tagged into Season of the Granny Challenge. And also Canadian Crocheter, my good old friend Debbie. Yes, Debbie, you've been tagged. Also Cindy Hart's Crochet, Granny D in the house. Granny D, you're also tagged. You and your squirrelettes. And Terry from Yarn Joy Podcast. I love you, Terry. Can't wait to see all of your granny square action coming up too. And last but not least, Crochet Rocks. Now there's a ton, and I know you know who you are. Zelda, Dina, everybody. Tons of people. So I feel really bad not tagging everybody. So just know that like this is like really hard because yes, you're tagged. So thanks so much. That'd be super great. We are all going to post our pictures, tutorials, whatever we have going on. If you have a lot of tutorials, post them when you want. If you have one tutorial, you can post it on March 18th or also whenever you want. But it stops by the 18th. On the 19th of March 2020, we'll be moving on to our next seasonal challenge. So you have all this time to do anything granny related. Love to see it on social media. You can do hashtag Season of the Granny. Is that a hashtag already? If that's a dirty hashtag, I take it back. Then make up a new hashtag and put it in the comments down below. It shouldn't be, right? I don't know. I've had a lot of granny things and some of it doesn't come up too good. Anyway, thanks for inviting me over. I had a super great time. And we'll see you soon with a tutorial. Stay hooked. Did I do it? Did I repeat myself like twice? I really think I did. Oh well. Is what it is. I'll get back on this pony. I'm gonna get on the pony.